In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how I can fix Roblox not launching on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Then you have to click on Apps on the left pane. Click on Installed Apps. Locate Roblox Player. Click on the three dots and simply click on the Uninstall button and then uninstall it again. Once you have uninstalled it, open a browser and then go to roblox.com. Hit Enter. Log in from here, and once you log in from here, select any of the features and then just simply download and install Roblox from this website. Then for the next thing that we can do is we need to locate the Roblox player desktop icon, right click and then go to properties. Then we have to click on the compatibility tab. Make sure to check this option, run this program as an administrator, apply and then OK. Also make sure that there are no instances of Roblox running on your Windows. So right click at the start button and go to task manager. Search for Roblox. Now, because I am not using Roblox as of this time, that's why it is not from here. But once you find Roblox from here, all you have to do is you need to make a right click and then select End Task. Make sure that you have completely closed Roblox from the Task Manager window and then just try again. The next thing that you can do is to visit the Microsoft Store and install Roblox from the Microsoft Store. So simply search for Store in the Windows search bar, click on it, and open the Microsoft Store and install Roblox. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.